Alright guys, so welcome to a special tropical weather update. It is currently 3:12. We have 2 more hours until the next advisory, but Tropical Depression 4 has strengthened into Tropical Storm Danny, making it the fourth tropical system that hasn't had a name before July 1st. No, it's the fourth named storm of the year. And I think it's the second year in a row that we've had 4 storms named before July 1st. Let's read what they said. So the header for this advisory is Depression strengthens into a tropical storm. Doppler radar data from Charleston, South Carolina, along with preliminary data from an Air Force Reserve reconnaissance aircraft indicate that the depression has strengthened and is now Tropical Storm Danny. The maximum sustained winds are estimated to be 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. A weather flow station in Poly Beach, South Carolina, recently reported a gust of 41 miles per hour. It is now about 60 miles east-southeast of Beaufort, South Carolina, and about 45 miles south-southeast of Charleston, South Carolina. And it's still moving west-northwest at 60 miles per hour. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. I'll be back around 4:45 live streaming Tropical Storm Danny's landfall. Peace out, guys.